We are on holiday in Turkey. Oh, Denise, Blue Lagoon. Look at this. Who is throwing big stones here? Is that Anton? Oh, yeah. Anton, say hello.
Look, who's that? Say hello.
Hello.
There's some big stones. And the paragliders.
It's against the sun. And you can even see turtles here sometimes. Anton, do you like coming to the beach? Say sea.
Do you like the sea? The big water. And what are those? The boats over there? Can you see the boats? Look. What kind of boat is it? Dolphin boat. Yeah.
Dolphin.